love.
Good to see you. Great as always, Steve.
I was just looking at your coasters.
You like the new ones?
I know I bought those.
All right. That's not all you bought.
So, how you been doing?
I've been great. You've been doing great, it looks like.
Well, I'm trying. But let me tell you, Randy, I know you are shocked that I am sitting here like I'm going to marry the same guy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'm honestly happy for you.
I would hope that you would be, but that's why I'm here with you today, because I want to talk to you about me getting a prenup. I'm getting a prenup because I've been down this road with Ray before. Remember, hello? It was a lot of fighting to make the attorneys rich. That's how I felt about it. So I feel like if we write everything down now, there will be less fighting and the attorneys can walk away broke instead of me. You know, I know nothing about a prenup. I've never had one before. And I don't even know how it works or what do I need to say.
You have about the best excuse to get a prenup, which is I've been married to this exact same person, and I thought it was going to work out, and that was for life. And, you know, now you're being more realistic.
Well, I hope it doesn't happen again. You know, I really love him. I respect him, but...
Things are a little different.
Yeah. Not only are they different, we went through a divorce. So I know how he fights in court. So I already saw your hand.
And, you know, the odds are, if you got married and divorced once, there's a chance it's going to happen again.
70% of people who marry before they get married and get divorced again. Percentages. Thanks, Randy.
Well, let me tell you, the best thing about a prenup is if you all have pre-agreed on how to divide things, there's no fighting anymore. You don't need to do depositions and mediations and going to court and having hearings because it's all going to be in black and white. It's going to be, if we get a divorce, this is what it is.
But I see people with prenups still going to court.
You can try to fight, but it reduces the fighting.
Okay.
You know, if we go to court and you've got a prenup, then we're fighting about, oh, he doesn't agree with one paragraph here, one paragraph there, but...
If you had children.
Right, right. So you may have to argue about child support if that happens, but you don't have to deal with alimony, property division. And what we're going to put in the prenup is, if he fights the prenup, he's going to have to pay your attorney's fees, so they'll have no reason to want to fight the prenup.
Greg and I talked about a prenup when he asked me to remarry him. We just haven't talked about it since. So it's not like I'm going behind Greg's back to see Randy, but I'm going behind Greg's back to see Randy. What if his businesses start to make way more money than me? What do I say?
That's why I don't like the idea of you agreeing to pay him, because what if he takes off and skyrockets? He's a smart guy. He could be making a lot of money. He did well in the past.
Who knows? He may win the lottery. I don't know, and I damn sure want some lottery money.
So let me sort of give you 3 suggestions. One is, you just each keep what you have, and whatever you acquire tomorrow, you fight about.
Okay.
You keep what you earn, he keeps what he earns, and it'll just be separate, and that's just it. Or the extreme version, sort of the Britney Spears version, is you just agree that he gets, whatever, $50,000 after 1 year and $100,000 after 2 years, but that's because you're making good money now. Those are sort of the 3 options. At a minimum, though, what we should say is whatever you've accumulated right now, you should keep.
I like that idea.
Yeah. But I'd like to do it ahead of time. We don't want to sign it the day before the wedding. You want to get it out of the way in case there's a wrinkle. Hopefully, you know, next time we get together, it's just here. We're all signing something very quickly, and that'll be it. Do you think there's a chance he's just going to say, I'm putting my foot down, I'm not going to sign a prenup?
Talking to Greg about getting a prenup, it's not easy. You know, it's not romantic, it's not sexy, it's not like, look at my big titties. It's like a prenup, which Greg is not comfortable talking about. I mean, I'm gonna, you know, I'm not gonna shock him. I'm gonna talk to him and we're gonna work together. You know, I don't want him to feel bad or anything, so I just don't want us to fight the way we fought.
It makes it a clean start. What you got is yours, what he has is his, so that way, the only reason you're gonna stay together is because you love each other. You won't stay for his money, he won't stay for your money.
So you got a prenup? I'm just kidding. Coming up